This patient, let's call him Ramsay Bolton. Now this is probably the hardest concrete solid blockage I've seen in a very long time, and it isn't moving at all. Zollner in and absolutely no movement. He's been oiling this for several days and it's made absolutely no difference at all. I finally get a little bit of movement here, but every time the Zollner makes contact, it slips straight off the surface. Time to try another area now. The tiny hairs embedded into the wax are making it incredibly difficult to grip properly. It just keeps slipping away again and again. But now something important is starting to happen. You can see the entire plug moving together as one solid piece. With the ear canal being held open here, this is probably our best chance yet of getting the whole thing out. At this point, the plug is moving, but not enough. Can you see that movement? It's still stuck, but that outer edge has finally shifted. That's exactly what we needed to see. I've manoeuvred that lifted section towards the centre as much as possible, which means that this blockage may finally be ready to move. Alligator forceps time. High hopes but very low expectations. There really just isn't enough solid for the forceps to grip onto here. The hairs are just simply pulling away without moving the blockage itself. Now at this point I know brute force isn't going to work. This needs far more lubrication. Over-oiled, Zollner back in, oil suctioned away and wiggle mode activated. And here it comes. The outer edge finally begins to peel away and now we have real movement. The plug is now so heavily lubricated that it actually starts rotating inside the ear canal. And finally, out it comes, absolutely massive. An incredibly dense blockage and immediate relief of that blocked sensation. But underneath, the skin is badly inflamed and probably very close to infection. Now on to the right ear, similar blockage but slightly softer on the surface. He actually didn't think this side needed clearing until the first ear was removed. Oiled first, Zollner straight back in, trying a few different areas. And finally, we get attachment on one edge. At this point, I genuinely think we may lose this grip entirely. It rolls around inside the canal just like the other side and just as stubborn until suddenly it isn't. And out it comes. It detaches halfway out, but not for long. Now look at the difference in the skin on this side. Completely healthy compared to the left side. And I will see you in the next one. Now, let me show you a very different case.